What's up YouTube? Welcome to Veteran Patriots Nation. My name is Tim and today I wanted to go over my EDC while I'm traveling. So I'm here in Texas for a few days just for the weekend and I wanted to go over what I flew here with. So let's get into it. So for starters, obviously I have my phone. It's an iPhone. I have my Apple Watch. I don't have my car keys because we rented a car. My wallet is a BlueForce Gear bifold here. It's really thin, really light, minimalistic. I love it. Next, I did bring the knife that I always have on me. It's a SpiderCo. I don't know what the name of this specific one is, but it's the same one that I've always had. Been carrying it for years. I have a topographic laser engraved on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I love this thing. Another thing I brought is a BlueForce Gear Nano trauma kit. I don't have this in my pocket. I keep it in my backpack that we're about to go over right now. So I don't always have my backpack physically on me, just depends on what I'm doing. But if I don't have my backpack, I don't have this, but at minimum I will have on me. And actually, before we move on, let's go over what I keep in here. So open it up. I have gloves up top, a North American Rescue Z-fold gauze. I have petroleum infused gauze right behind it with some duct tape, so I can use that as a chest seal or chest seals, and then a micro pressure bandage. And that's all I really keep in there, nothing too crazy. But earlier we went into town and just walked around a little bit and I didn't take my backpack. But I did take, in my pocket, I put a pack of gauze. It's the combat gauze. I just had a pack of this in my pocket. And then for a tourniquet, Gen 7 cat tourniquets are really nice to have, but they are a little bulky and hard to carry without it being obvious. So I actually have I don't know if we'll be able to get it on camera, but I have a rat tourniquet looped around my belt right here. So if I need it, just pull it down, pull it out like this, and then I already have it pre-staged with the loop. So now I can just put the loop in there, tighten this, go around the other way like this, and then start wrapping it up. So I always keep a tourniquet on me, no matter what. Typically I'll keep a Cat Gen 7 in my backpack, and I actually have one in here too. But again, I left my backpack here at the house, at the Airbnb, and just had a rat tourniquet on me. I do have nieces and nephews who are rather small, so Cat Gen 7 tourniquet definitely would not work on my nephew. So a rat tourniquet is more ideal just because of the people that I'm around. But other than that, typically a Cat Gen 7. Next, normally I conceal carry a Glock 19 with Holosun 507CX2, or yeah, 507CX2 with the green dot, a Streamlight TLR1 HL, and a KJ Concealment Wingman holster with a spare mag. But I just recently had back surgery and they had to go through my stomach to put a prosthetic disc in my L4, L5. So my stomach is still kind of healing up. So in the meantime, I haven't been carrying that Glock 19, but I am carrying a Sig 365. We have a bunch of family in, and I don't know who's cool with guns and who's not, but it is unloaded. But this is the 365. It's not the XL version or anything. And admittedly, I'm not using a KJ Concealment holster. I just haven't got one yet for this gun. Now onto my backpack. So I will carry my backpack on me depending on where we're going. Like if we're going into like Houston or into the city, I'm definitely gonna have my backpack on me. Probably not without a patch on it, just so I don't stick out as bad, even though the backpack does have the MOLLE webbing on the front. But this is a BlueForce gear backpack. And one of the biggest reasons why I have it on me is because I have a level 3A guard dog pistol rated hard plate in my backpack. I'm in the middle of doing a test and review and evaluation on this. So one of the ways that I'm using it for starters is to keep it in my backpack and see how I like it. Next, I'll actually use it in a plate carrier, probably in a minimalistic plate carrier, and then I'll do a review actually shooting 2 of these plates. I have 2 of them to shoot up. So keep an eye out for that video. It's coming soon. And fun fact, I did fly with this backpack like it was my carry-on luggage, and TSA didn't say anything about having a ballistic plate in my backpack, so that was cool. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I'm carrying. I wanted to make a quick video going over this. I might have to edit some of the stuff out to shorten it up for y'all, but that's my EDC while I'm traveling here in Texas, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys carry on a daily basis, what your everyday carry is, or what you like to travel with. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, thanks.